Part 2. Hey, sir! What are you doing out here? I had a job and I'm coming back for my family, you know? Oh. Well, at least you didn't leave for the milk. My dad did. Okay, well, I'm just gonna go. La la la. Okay. Maybe I should, like, just shoot myself. No, I'm not gonna go emo again. Not again. I cannot go emo again. Kill myself. Jesus. I mean. Please, give me some money, sir! Yeah, I'm just gonna go to my family. No, please! This is a weird day enough, so bye. Dang. Okay. What are weirdos? I hate weirdos. The door's open, of course. And of course, you weird son. Oh my gosh, thank you for giving me my arm and leg back. Ooh la la, that's nice. Well, what is that over there? Yo, I hear something over there. Ooh la la. Oh, I have to go. Oh, come on. I'm sorry, I have to go. Can't believe my mom and dad. Got it! Oh, they always call me for no reason. Ew, brother, what are you doing? You know, I'm doing some yoga, you know, making a video, you know. You got some hardcore yoga? What? Nothing. Just asking, you know. Do you? What do you mean? Weirdo. Yeah. Like, just look at the window, bro. Oh yeah, you can hear our brother crying in the back. Ah, my hair! I hate that barber. I'm gonna kill that barber. I hate him. He's the. I hate that guy with the red shirt, brown hair, my stupid barber. Yeah, bro. Oh my gosh! Help your brother, okay? I'm gonna go in your mom's room. Okay, duh. You know, I'm just gonna go back to my boyfriend when he's not looking. Who cares about him? Yeah. Yes, kid. What are you guys still doing here? Nothing. My cone! Don't touch my cone! My cone! No! No! My cone! You stupid girl! I'm gonna grab and slam it on your head! No! Die! Where's my cone? You can't do anything to me, losers. Well, would those two boys bother me? Yes, now go beat them up. Got you. Yo, what's up, bro? Don't even talk to us. We will throw you out that hole right now. No, you won't. Yes, we will. Ah! Oh my gosh! No! I'm coming! Coming! Don't worry! Oh, you losers! No. Fact is, you care about her boyfriend, but not her own brother. No! Boyfriend! Are you happy with your brother's haircut? So you're the barber? Yeah, and I lost all my money for doing it. Ooh, you look nice. You're an idiot! Oh me! Oh my god! I don't want to die. I can swim, right? I can. Wait, no. Maybe I should get in the car and. I'm not good at driving, but maybe I can like drive into the ocean. Maybe, you know. No what? Never mind. I can't even drive. You know what? I'm just gonna jump into the water. You know what? I'm just gonna sit here, act like nothing happened. I don't know what happened. Okay? No, nothing happened. Come on, sweetie. Open the door. No! I'm on a work call! Looks like I got budget open. My hammer. Got budget open with my hammer. Now we have to buy money? Hey! You're fired, ma'am! You interrupted the call! No! Ah! Wait, is my kids okay? Oh no. Oh no! You can hear them. Disgusting! Wait, how about our daughter? I see her outside. Please don't know I'm dead. No! Why? Why is my whole family dead except for the bone man in my house? I'm your son! Oh, he's my son. Oh! I'm gonna go get him. Wait, ma'am! I did that hairstyle to your son. Oh, really? You did it to my son? Ah! Die! My angry mom would so my kids die. Let me go check on him, see if he's doing okay. Mom! I have a gun. Sweetie, what are you doing with the gun? I don't know. I'm thinking of shooting myself. I look so ugly and everyone's gonna hate me at school. Maybe you don't have to go to school. Yes, I do. You're just gonna say it over and over again. Maybe if I paint my hair yellow, they would think I have hair, right? Yeah! Yes, King! Yeah! Yes, King! To his face! Oh, God, my eyes! Ah! My family! Guys, we'll see you in part 3. Bye-bye. Part 3 coming up soon.